Hello students, welcome to S2S classes. Today for 10th class in science physics we are going to study electricity. In electricity the most important topic is Ohm's law. So we are going to study Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, the potential difference across any wire is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Besides that, the physical conditions of the wire is kept constant. So, we have to go on the physical conditions. What are the physical conditions which we have to keep constant? The first one is its length, second one is its cross sectional area, and the third one is its temperature. So we have to keep these three things constant, and then we can say the potential difference across this wire is directly proportional to the current passing through it. If we want to express it in algebraic form, in alphabet, we can write V is directly proportional to I. And you know what does it mean? V is directly proportional to I means when you increase voltage, the current will increase, and when we decrease voltage, the current will decrease in the same proportion, and that is called directly proportional. So we can write V is directly proportional to I, and hence V is equal to I R. Now what is R? R is here a constant, a proportional constant. This proportional constant is known as, is given a name of resistance. And when we write the formula for R from this equation, we can write R is equal to V upon I. So if a question is asked to you, what do you mean by resistance? You can say that the resistance of any wire is defined as the ratio of voltage across it to the current passing through it. Okay? So R is equal to V upon I. Now a big question arises, what is the unit of resistance? So if we are discussing about unit of resistance, we have to find the unit of voltage and we have to write the unit of current. What is the unit of voltage? Unit of voltage is volt and unit of current is ampere. So the unit of resistance is equal to volt upon ampere, and volt upon ampere is called Ohm. A very renowned scientist, Ohm was revered by giving his name to the unit of this resistance, and this Ohm is presented by a Greek letter omega. So unit of resistance is Ohm, which is presented by a Greek letter omega. Now if we are saying that resistance is there in a wire, what do you mean of this? What is the physical interpretation of resistance? जनरली हम रेजिस्टेंस को हिंदी में एक तरीके से बाधा बोल सकते हैं, अवरोध. अगर कोई दौड़ रहा हो और आप उसके रास्ते में टांग अड़ाते चलें तो आप इसे रेजिस्टेंस कहेंगे. तो जब करंट किसी वायर से दौड़ रहा होता है तो उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन चल रहे होते हैं, और जब इलेक्ट्रॉन चल रहे होते हैं तो उनकी आपस में टक्करें होती हैं. इस टक्कर में जैसे आप दो लोग अगर कोलाइड हो रहे होते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी एनर्जी का लॉस होता है. ऐसे ही व्हेन द टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टेकिंग कोलिजन विद ईच अदर, दे विल लूज द एनर्जी, और जब वो एनर्जी का लॉस करते हैं तो फिर वो पेस मेंटेन नहीं रहता. यानी आप ये कह सकते हैं कि करंट का जो फ्लो होगा वो थोड़ा सा एग्जॉस्ट होगा, थोड़ा सा ब्लॉक्ड होने की कोशिश करेगा. तो जो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ब्लॉकेज है किसी भी वायर के अंदर करंट को ना बहने देने की जो प्रॉपर्टी है हम उसे रेजिस्टेंस कहते हैं. सो दिस इज द फिजिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब यू कैन से अ हिंडरेंस, अ ब्लॉकेज एंड ऑफेंस ऑफ द वायर that tries to block the current, try to stop the current, whatever you can say. So this is all about resistance. So Ohm's law you can sum up now. According to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I. In the formula you can say, keeping physical conditions constant, this thing must be included in the statement. Otherwise, the statement will be incomplete. So that's all for the topic.